This video is all about three different sentence structure related to the verb to wish. Before starting this video, I wish you subscribe this channel. Hi everyone, my name is Saurav, and in this video today we are going to talk about three different sentence structure related to the verb to wish. The first one, wish plus past simple. Second one, wish plus would or wouldn't. Third one, wish plus past perfect. Let's start with the first one, wish plus past simple. We use this expression when we want to talk about a state or condition that is different from how it is right now. For example, I wish I had a computer means I don't have computer, but I wish it would have in future. I wish I knew the president. I don't know about president, but I wish I could know about him. We have some different and special example related to this, related to verb to be. When we use to be verb with this sentence structure, we do not say I was, we say I were. For example, I wish I were a rich person. I'm not a rich person, but I wish I were a rich person. Let's talk about second sentence structure, that is wish plus would or wouldn't. This structure tells us something very annoying and we don't want it anymore. We want it stops. For example, I wish Russia and Ukraine would stop fighting. I wish it would stop raining because this is annoying to me. Okay, let's talk about some special example related to this. You cannot use this with yourself. You cannot say that and if I say that I wish I would stop making this video, that doesn't make any sense. Means I can stop making this video any time. I don't need to say that I wish, I can do it anytime if I don't like it. Okay, let's talk about third sentence structure, that is wish plus past perfect. Something that we regret actually. For example, and that is something that is totally impossible. We cannot change it anymore, and that happened already. For example, I wish I had studied harder when I was at university. Now I cannot change it. I have completed my university and now I cannot work harder for it. It has already done, and this is completely impossible. So we never say in those situations. If only I had studied at university. This is a special example here. We can use if only except using wish plus past perfect. We can say if only I had studied at university. It looks a little dreamy, but we can also use it. I hope you understood, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.